चालू कर दो। क्या है भाई? देखो क्या आ रहा है, देखो। हाँ जी, फोन कर ले, उठा रहा हूँ। भाई, इतना एग्जाम का लोड है बच्चों का। मेरा दम ऐसा दारी तारी बना और लोग देख रहे हैं मुझे क्या क्या बोल रहे हैं। हेलो। वालेकुम, ठीक है बा। हाँ, क्या है, कौन बोलो? हाँ, क्यों कॉल कर ले? हेलो। हेलो। भाई, यूट्यूब पे ऑनलाइन है सर। हेलो।
हेलो।
किसको कॉल ही कर ले?
क्या सर?
कौन कॉल कर ले? हेलो। हाँ हाँ, ठीक है। गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स। नवेदिता, अतुल्ला, इरफान। निसर्ग। ओए निसर्ग।
यस सर। हेलो।
या।
हाँ यस सर।
Where are you from?
सर आई एम फ्रॉम पुणे।
I'm from Pune. I think you are new student or old student?
न्यू स्टूडेंट सर।
Or new student. Okay. Right. Today I will do question based on India question based on different integration and area. Okay.
ओके सर।
So wait for 5 minutes. Some student will join.
ओके सर।
हेलो। क्या कॉल करा? पढ़ा रहे हैं कहाँ? पढ़ा रहे हैं कहाँ? ठीक। ठीक। हम्म। Now, Nivedita Atulya, Saksham, are you present? So, we'll start. Nisharg, Nisharg, can I start? हाँ सिस्टम हिला दूंगा कहा तू फास्ट है स्टार्ट करने वाला है भाई कितना टाइम हुआ है फास्ट आओ पूरा बटालियन को लेकर फौज को लेके आओ 361 सर आपने पीडीएफ नहीं देखा हो अरे मेरे पास दूसरे फटाक से पीडीएफ आ गया तो लोग बहुत लेट कर दिया एक मिनट रुको लेट हाँ लेट नहीं सर हम टाइम पे तो पार्टिसिपेंट्स दो ने पार्टिसिपेंट्स कितने देखो तो दो दो ही तो रहे तो यही निसर्ग गया फिर निसर्ग आर यू प्रेजेंट निसर्ग आज कोई नहीं संडे। लेट आए इसलिए। हाँ। लेट हमारे के लिए तो। हाँ हाँ। टाइम पे हो। कोई नहीं आया। कब आए आप सब? पहुंच गया था मैं 4:45 को। 4:45। चलो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो। सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 66 and 65। स्टूडेंट्स, स्टूडेंट्स, सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, 66 and 65। हरी आप। बिजनेस करना चाहिए या पढ़ाई करना चाहिए? देखो सर कैसे पढ़ाई करके बिजनेस कर सकते हैं। फर्स्ट टेक एजुकेशंस। फुल एजुकेशंस। मतलब एटलीस्ट डिग्री। You are illiterate in India, in world. The purpose of educations, what's going around you, you should know about this. What the meaning of this? What the purpose of this? What the motive of this? Each thing you should know, you should understand. That's called the reading purpose. That's the learning purpose. Okay. Learning purpose is not just a job. Okay. We find job through learning process. Okay. By our educations, but education is not just means to find a job. Okay, to get a job, it means you should be a human. Okay, that's the meaning of educations. Okay, right. Education means, so try to make yourself a good person, a good human. Okay, good human being. That's the education means. That's the purpose of educations. You can take any degree, but the purpose is you have tried to make yourself as a good person, good human being. Okay, that's the main things. That's the main purpose of education. You can be, but most of the time you will fail. Example, suppose that if something is going around, something is going bad around you, in front of you, or you are not acting. You are, in fact, you want to act, but you are not capable to act because you are lacking in educations. You are lacking in educations. Okay, understood? Earn the lots of money, and capture the systems. Okay, through money. That's not call a good sense. Okay, good things. That's why the Dhirubhai Ambani sons are not investing a single penny for the welfare of humans. Okay, and welfare of India. Just he is earning from the India. Okay, Tata is good from the initial stage. He is going good things from it for India and Indian peoples. Okay, Adani is also a businessman. He is not a philanthropist. He don't do anything good for human. Okay, understood? Don't do anything good for human beings. Okay. He will not do. I bet it. Because he is purely a businessman. He is a businessman. He's not educated person. Okay. He's not a good person, good human, and good human being. Good person is not good persons. So he cannot do. Now, call the all students. Tell me. Hurry up. Tell him. Yes, sir. Where is Prem? Where is Swam? उसको phone करो. Solve it. 66 and 65. Hurry up. Do it. Students. Hello, Swapnil. Hello, Swapnil. हाँ, Swapnil. अरे ऊपर जल्दी आओ. यूट्यूब बंद कर दो क्योंकि बच्चे आज ऑनलाइन है नहीं और ऑनलाइन वाले बच्चे सब कहाँ हैं? बोले यू वहां पे बच्चे तो अभी है नहीं ऑनलाइन भी एक भी. ओके. ऑफलाइन आ गए मेरे चार मेरे 4-5 बच्चे ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन आ गए. ऑनलाइन बच्चे नहीं है. ओके. सॉल्व इट. हरी आप. सक्षम को कॉल करो. सक्षम को ही अभी पढ़ा के आ रहा हूँ. अभी वो तो ऑफलाइन पढ़ा है उसको. पूरा स्टार्ट पढ़ा है. ऑफलाइन. को देखना है. नहीं तो सैनिक स्कूल का है ऐसा पता चला. ना. सैनिक स्कूल का है. ऐसा पता. पूछ लूंगा। हाँ वो अभी ज्वाइन नहीं किया सक्षम। ओके ओके राइट। करना मेरे भाई जल्दी 65 66 करना जल्दी। हरी आप डू इट। For the area of the parabola y square equal to 4bx bounded by its latest rectum. Tell me. Call the summum, otherwise we call the anisbia. Call the summum, otherwise I'm going to call anisbia. Because anisbia today anisbia will ask whether summum is present or not. Especially will ask for all Sunday school on Sunday. I know it. Tell him, hurry up. The latest rectum is this, whose focus is 0, b, 0. You are not solving the questions. Why? You are not interested in solving. 0 to b and upper portion will be y under root 2 root bx. So 2 times, because symmetric I will calculate upside, 2 times 0 to b, and the graph is 2 times root bx dx. So 4 root b outside 0 to b root x dx. Now calculate, you will get the area. Hurry up, do it. Do it, hurry up. 66. Prem, you are also lazy. फोन में उठा रहा है इसका मतलब तो वो छोटे छोटे टनिया का है छोटा वाला, इसको तुम लोग ठोकता रहता हो कहाँ। सर क्या हुआ? उसी को भेजता हूँ उसको बुलाने। सर बहुत ही छोटिया, कोई छोटू बहुत ही उसकी उम्र में वो जितना कांड करता है ना और जितना बोलता है ना उतना तो अभी तक हमने हमने कभी नहीं सीखा उतना बोलना और उतना। अच्छा है क्या? और सबसे वो गाली किसी को बोल बात ही नहीं करता है। कहाँ था वो? कितना गाली होता है? मुंबई का है। हाँ? मुंबई का। यूपी का है? हाँ मुंबई में रहता है ना। हाँ समझ में आया। नाम क्या है? हाँ समझ में आया। आपके एरिया है? हम लोग तरफ गाली जो बच्चे बकते हैं ना उस बच्चे को अच्छा मानते ही नहीं हम लोग। हमारे घर हम लोग के घर के बच्चे गाली लेने बकते हैं। हम लोग बस वो एक दो गाली जो नॉर्मल गाली मार्केट में चलती है उसके अलावा गाली मुझसे निकालते नहीं हम लोग क्या। अरे एक गाली और मैंने सीखा, वो दिल्ली में जो आदत चलती है सबकी, ये तो वो दिल्ली में सीखा तो वो अलग थी गाली। उससे पहले तो लड़ लिया। अरे मेरे भाई, मैं अगर प्यार से बोलूंगा तो मतलब मैं गाली दे रहा हूँ। मैं ऐसे हम लोग का स्टाइल ये अपना वहाँ ये फील होता है अपना, मतलब एक दूसरे से ना अपनापन है। मैं तुझे ऐसे बोल रहा हूँ ना तो अपनापन है, इसका मतलब ये है। तब मैं फिर झगड़ा नहीं था, मैं लड़ाई करने में उतर गया था। गाली क्यों बक रहे थे? हाँ तो बोले यार तू कितना हाइपर हो रहा है। यहाँ ये आम है, यहाँ का ये कल्चर ही है। तो ये मतलब तुम्हें अगर बहुत प्यार से सीट सीट के बोल रहा हूँ मतलब तुम्हें मैं मतलब थोड़ा सॉल्व किया, समझ आया कितना आंसर, जल्दी बोलना। अरे सुशील आंसर तो ला। रिचार्ज तो कर रहा हूँ मैं, धक्का मार के। यार चीज नहीं होता सीरीज की बैटरी से। करना जल्दी, कितना आंसर है। शिवम पवार के फादर को फोन करता, रुको। सर सर मत मत करो। रुको मैं कर रहा फादर को। हाँ सर टाइपो। अरे भाई उनको फादर को भी तो पता होना चाहिए कि बहुत लेट आ रहा है। हाँ गुड इवनिंग, कैब सर बोल रहा हूँ। वो हाँ अभी क्लास में पहुंचा नहीं है। हाँ उसको फोन कीजिए यार, बोलिए कि मतलब कहाँ हो। अभी तो उसका फ्रेंड से बोला था आ रहा है, मैं 10 मिनट से पूछ रहा हूँ तो आ ही नहीं रहा है। अभी कहाँ है तो मैं। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक ठीक। भाई धक्का मार गाड़ी, धक्का मार गाड़ी को थोड़ा सा रिचार्ज कर दूं मैं अच्छे से। 4 रूट बी, इसका स्क्वायर रूट होगा 2/3, कितना होगा 2/3। और x⁴/3/2, 0 to b। अरे तुम लोग क्या करता समझना है। 8/3 एंड 8/3 तो b² होगा, कितना होगा 8b², तो d is the correct answer. Now solve 65. You have no idea about how you will do these integrations. You are saying that he said me a wrong formula. Then why are you saying such type of words? You don't know the formula of integration of x raised to n. Then why you are doing wrong? डिफरेंशिएशन का फॉर्मूला इधर मिक्स कर दिया। कभी भी उल्टा चलता सर। So I will gi- I will give you the two ready-made results. That's a very important. 0 to pi/2 log sin x base e, 0 to pi/2, sorry dx I have left, 0 to pi/2 cos x, very important. This is equal to minus pi/2 ln 2. Very important, I will tell you. Yeah, pi/2. And for cos x and sec, I will write ln. So ln cosec x. This is pi/2 ln 2. So ln tan x, you can write ln sin x minus ln cos x. So you will get 0 for 0 to pi/2 dx. Understood everyone? So this could be a satta for you. Which one is the satta also? 0 to pi/2. ln tan x dx 0/2 ln cot x dx is equal to 0. There is a 3 satta I have given you. हेलो, हाँ अभी 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 आया तुरंत। हाँ अभी क्लास में आया। भैया ने बोला हाँ हाँ हाँ, वो लग रहा था कि चार्जिंग खत्म था और आराम कर रहा होगा, तो वो अभी चार्ज ऑन हुआ तो आया होगा। अभी क्लास में आया तो सीधा आपका कॉल आया उसके पास। राइट 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 राइट। लो, हेलो, हाँ सोया हुआ था, अब बोला लेक्चर में था। Now, these three is the very important formula. Write down. Very important for your health, knowledge health. 0 to power 2 ln sin x dx base e 0 to power 2 log cos x base e dx. This should be equal to minus power 2 ln 2. And if you will reverse, that will, if you will take reciprocal of sine and cosine, you will get power 2 ln 2. And if you will get, you will take for tan and cot, you will get 0. Understood? These three are very important sattas in terms of Aniswaya language. Okay, I will tell you, this is the property, this is the properties in terms of my language. Now Saksham, are you listening me? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these three formula very important formula for different integrations. In fact, this is the results. So if you will find this type of question, you can take, yeah, you can answer orally. Okay, you can answer orally. Now solve question number 64. Solve it. In fact, you have to solve 62 to 63 first, and then solve 64. Then solve, first solve 62 to 63. I tell you what is the formula behind this yesterday. Okay, yesterday I already told you. Okay, what is the formula behind this? King's law. Okay, for I1 you will convert tan x into sin x cos x. Okay, for I1 you will convert tan x into tan x in sin and cos, and then apply King's law. As well as in I2 you will apply King's law. I think both you will find equal. So I1 minus I2 will be 0. I1 minus I2 will be 0. I bet it. Then what is I1? So I1, what is the I2? That is I1. So find the I1. So I will tell you the I1, I3 minus pi by 3 minus pi by 6 by 2. How much it is? Now, tell you the satta. Because Anis will tell you the satta. I will also tell you the satta. If you have a to b, f of x plus f of a plus b minus x dx. This is the I1 first equation. When you will apply King's law, you will get a plus b minus x, f of a plus b minus x, f of x dx. The second law, when you will apply, add these two, first plus second, you will get 2i is equal to integration a to b dx. Understood? So the satta of this is 1 by 2 b minus a. This is the satta. Tell me, students, Saksham understood?
Yes, sir.
So satta behind this is like that. For this, you can directly find integration I. If King's law is applicable, then you can directly find I equal to 1 by 2 b minus a. The shortcut. So write down. Very, very important. This is also very, very important. Yesterday I solved manually. Today I tell you the satta behind this. I think from my sides, I will end area and different integration today. Tomorrow I will take differential equation, right? And after 26, you will decide which chapter do you want to solve. Okay? I repeat, after 26, you will decide which chapter do you want to solve. Understood, Saksham?
Yes, sir.
And Prithviraj Chauhan and Suvam Pawar and Prem and Susil and then Tompe. Yes, sir. Understood? Yes. You can earn 10 to 15 marks in short times. What I am teaching from past 2 days. So I have teach 23, 24 and 25. Now tomorrow I will teach you 26. Tomorrow there are 4 questions. Tomorrow there are 4 questions. So tomorrow we are 10 marks. Tomorrow 10 marks. Right? And 23, 24 and 25 will give you at least 10 marks, at most 15 marks. Understood? Everyone? So whatever I am teaching you, that means you have learned. You have learned from 23 to 26. That will give you a minimum 20 marks and maximum 15 marks. Understood? In your ND exam. So think about it. Just think about it. Imagine. So tomorrow is very, very important lecture. You should join from the first minute. Tomorrow. So Prem, understood? So you can answer the I1 when you will convert sin x into sin x by cos x, you will get under root cos x in numerator, and denominator you will under root cos x plus under root sin x. So this will here you will apply King's law. So when you will apply King's law, so I1 will be half b minus a. B is pi by 3 and a is A is pi by 6. What is pi by 3 minus pi by 6? That means pi by 6, okay? And this will be pi by 6 minus pi by 6 upon 2. You will find pi by 12. You will find pi by 12. So I1 is pi by 12 and so B. King's law will be also applicable in I2. So for I2 you will also find pi by 12. Pi by 12 minus pi by 12 you will find 0. Understood? So 62 is 0 and 61 you will get C is the correct answer. Understood? You can answer orally this question. 5 marks. How much? 5 marks. You can see this question was asked in 2014. Now solve question number 64. Very simple question. X is odd, sin is odd. Odd into odd, even. I repeat for 64. X is odd, sin x is odd. Odd into odd, even. So you will take 0. You will take 2 times 0 to pi by 2 x sin x. Now apply by parts. I already told you how you will use a by parts. Okay. Do it. 64. Subham. Power. Do it. Minus pi by 2 x sin x dx. X is odd, sin x is odd into odd is even. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 x sin x. Now use by parts. Islet. Islet means I inverse L log. L means log. A means algebraic. A T means trigonometric. Trigonometric has more priority for second function than algebraic. So algebraic is the first function. So x integration sin x dx 0 to pi by 2. Then minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of sine and then whole integration 0 to pi by 2. So 2 times integration of sine x is minus cos x. So minus x cos x 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. Integration of sine x is minus cos. So minus minus plus cos x dx. Understood everyone? Now here apply limits. So minus pi by 2 times cos pi by 2 0 and 0 into 1. So 0 plus and this is sin x 0 to pi by 2. So this will be 2 times 1. So we'll get answer 2 is the final answer. Understood everyone? Sushil, Saksham.
Yes, sir.
So I think these are very, very good questions. Now solve 61. Very, very good questions. 61. Extremely good questions. You will put t equal to tan inverse. You will put t equal to, hurry up. Then you have to also change the limits. Think about it. 61. T equal to tan inverse x. So when you will put x When put x equal to 0, tan 0, you will get t equal to 0. When you will put x equal to 1, you will get tan inverse 1 equal to pi by 4. So t equal to pi by 4. Now dt, you will get 1 plus 1 upon 1 plus s square dx. So the final integration, lower limit 0 for 0 0 for 1 pi by 4. You should when you are changing the limit, you should be careful. You should be, because all work will go in vain. Because can we go all work in vain? बर्बादी में जा सकता, right? Put t equal to tan inverse x. So dt equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square dx. Now the variable is here x. So lower limit is 0. So I'll put x equal to 0. So t equal to tan inverse 0. Tan inverse 0 is 0. So t will be 0. You will get here 0. Understood? Now upper limit of x is 1. Upper limit of x is, so you will put t equal to tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Understood? So you will get t equal to pi by 4 at 1. Understood? So when lower limit is 0, so lower limit also 0. When lower limit is 1, so when upper limit is 1, your upper limit will be pi by 4. Understood? Prem? Didn't understand. Understood?
तो जो लिमिट क्वेश्चन में दी है उसको पुट करके जो टी की लिमिट्स आएंगे
उनको निकालना. That's the correct things. That's the correct things. Right. Now this will be e raised to t dt. Now solve this. You will get pi 4 minus e raised to pi 4 minus 1. E raised to pi 4 minus. Which option is the correct option? Tell me. Raksham understood this? Saksham,
Yes, sir.
Prithviraj, understood? Rompe,
Yes, sir.
you are not understanding anything? Now what is the derivative? Here integration question is given. Sorry, in integration differentiation is given. Solve this for fun. Solve this derivative question for fun. Hurry up. Y equal to 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Understood everyone? And 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cancel, so cot square. When nothing is given, you should consider both is positive. Both are positive. Both are positive. Understood? When nothing is given, both are positive. You should consider by default. By if the condition is given, you should think about, you should think according to condition. You should according to conditions. Here no condition is given, so think by default as a positive. So you will get here cot x by 2. Now what will the derivative of this? Minus x 1 by 2 cos x square. Got the answer everyone? Now solve 59. Easy questions. I told you the logarithmic property a raised to log n base a, you will get n. You will get very important formula of log. Saksham. So ln x means log x base e is given. So here you have e raised to log x base e. So only x. Here question setters are deceiving you only. You will get only x dx. So x square by 2. X square by 2, that means 4 by 2. 4 by 2 is 2 is the correct answer. Understood everyone? Only receiving questions. Saksham, understood this?
Yes.
Saksham? Right. Now, area questions, 58, solve it. Hurry up. Do it. Do it. Rompe, you should take seriously. Because 23, 24, 25, 26, these 4 lecture can give you at least 20 marks. Okay? You can harvest 20 marks. Okay? You can harvest. Like you harvest the grain. You can harvest the marks. Okay? Understood? Right? So focus on 23, 24, 25, 26 lectures. Including tomorrow lectures, focus on these 4 lectures. What I taught you. What is the area bounded by y equal to tan x and pi by 4, y equal to 0. When y equal to 0, so x equal to 0. When y equal to 0, so x equal to 0. So you will find 0 to pi by 4. You will find tan x. Should act according to the given information. You should act according to the given informations. The given information is y equal to 0. I don't have f, so I will put in the equation y equal to tan x. I will put tan x equal to 0. So here I will find x equal to 0. Understood or not? Tell me. Yeah. So 0 to pi by 4 and tan x. No need to draw the graph. No need to draw the. You can directly find. What is the integration of this? Log mod sec x. Base e 0 to pi by 4. Understood? So Prem is demanding from graph. I will draw the tan inverse graph from 0 to pi by 4. Sorry, pi by 2. So I want this area only. 0 to pi by 4. This area I want only this area. Now understood, Prem? The area between 0 to pi by 2 is infinity. Yesterday I told you. The area between 0 to pi by 2 is? But 0 to pi by 4 is finite. Understood? Right? So you will get here, when you will put pi by 4, log sec pi by 4 is root 2. So log root 2 e. And when log sec 0, so log 1 base e is 0. So 1 by 2 log 2 base e. This is the correct answer. Understood, everyone? B is the correct options. So Susil is right. Now solve question number 57. Hurry up. Saksham,
Yes, sir.
Aditi Padel, Solve it. Adi, sorry. Adi, solve it. तो बुला तो उसको बुला थोड़ा पानी मंगवाना उसको
हाँ सर वो वैसे आया सर सर इसको पकड़ के मारो
इधर आ रहे
सर इसको पकड़ के मारो
तो छोटा है रे छोड़ो रस्सा को रखो नहीं भेजने का वो टेंशन हो रहा है
सर
कोई बड़ा बच्चा है यहाँ पे देख बगल में
सर हम दोनों जाके देते
नहीं नहीं नो 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 नो
सर भरोसा रखो सर
जहाँ जाएगा लेकिन वहां पढ़ा रहा हूँ एक मिनट में काम करते दुकान में जाना किनले बोतल है ना
अरे किले बिस्लरी की बॉटल किले
अरे जहाँ पे रास्ता नहीं आता है न्यू डे से उसके सामने दुकान है ना अरे न्यू डे से दुकान रास्ता निकलता है ना सामने जो दुकान पड़ती है उसमें किनले बोतल मिला है, किनले हाँ किनले का लेना एक बोतल नॉर्मल ठंडा मत लेना बहुत प्यास लगे नहीं 57 तुम उसको फंसा दिया उसी में हंस रहा है व्हाट द एरिया ऑफ द पैराबोला एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू वाई बाउंडेड बाय द लाइन वाई इक्वल टू so y equal to one line I want area of this I can also take along x-axis. So when you will put y equal to 1, what you will get x equal to plus minus 1. So here the point will be 1 comma 1. The point will be minus 1 comma 1. So the total area will be rectangle area will be 2 times length is 1 time plus 1 time 2 times. Okay. So 2 times into 1 minus 2 times 0 to 1 x square dx. You can solve easily 2 minus 2 0 to 1 x square dx. Hurry up, do it. What you will get? Tell me. You can also in direction along y-axis. Okay. You can also solve along y-axis. When you solve along y-axis, you have to take 2 times and what will be x equal to root y. X equal to root y. So along y-axis you can solve like that 2 times both side and y limit is from 0 to 1 and for x here root y dy. You can also get same answer from here. Okay. Saksham understood this? What you got? Tell me. What you got? Hurry up. Hurry up, Susil, Turfiraj, Prem, Subham. बीस हो गया आज 27 28 29 30 25 26 27
Option C.
6 दिन बचा
सर्दी झाल्या रे रात्री लोक झोपत जा आजपर्यंत बघतो
what you got answer from 4 by 3 for 57 now solve 56 is also area questions Saksham what your answer Saksham
Sir, I am still on the way.
for 57 this is the 4 by 3 for 57 you got answer 4 by 3 Saksham Adi
Sir, I didn't reach home yet.
so you didn't reach home yet okay no problem now solve 56 solve 56 2 units ठंडा लेके आए।
थोड़े मतलब उनके पास नॉर्मल नहीं थी वो अपने फ्रिज में से दी
अरे यार ये 5-6 दिन बचा है पीऊंगा गला खराब हो गया तो पढ़ा भी नहीं पाऊंगा तू मजे ले रहा है उसका
गरम पानी करके देता हूँ
both are negative x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 so both intercept is negative both intercept negative so this will go like that so this is true right angle triangle okay so what is the area x equal to 0 y equal to 0 and this is the area okay I want to find so I have product of perpendicular length so 2 units how much it is 2 units for 56 कहाँ से solution है? Now solve 55 solve 55 55 what you will use by parts or non by parts you should use by parts 1 into ln x very good here you will use by parts as a 1 to 2 1 time ln x ln x is the first function 1 is the second function so ln x integration dx limit is 1 to 2 minus differentiation of ln is 1x integration of dx is x and dx a limit is 1 to 2 when I will put 2 here x ln 2 limit 1 to 2 here 1 cancel x limit 1 to 2 so this will be 2 times ln x So 2 times ln 2 minus ln 1 is 0. Minus 2 minus 1. So this will be 2 times ln 2 minus 1. Minus 1, right? Now the final answer, here ln 4, 2a square, and 1 is ln e, okay? 1 can be written as ln e. So the log m minus log n, 4 by e. Understood, everyone? So C is the correct answer. C is the... Now solve question number 54. Hurry up. Area based question. Do it. So you should command on by parts. You should have command on area. You should have command on some properties of different integrations. Some properties of only 7 properties you will ask in your examination. We have 25 properties of different integrations. But NDA, in NDA you will be asked for 7 properties. So 7 properties, different integrations, and area, as well as by parts, can give you 20 marks. Can give you 20 marks from tomorrow and today class, including today class. Okay? Any problem? Solve question number 53. Sorry, 54. What you got? 1 by 6. So correct, no problem. I will not do this because I have done this question earlier. Yesterday I have done same type of question. Same type of... Yeah, only some difference. Now solve 53. Y equal to 2 mod x. That means 2 times. We'll go some strip this side. Some strip this side. So this will be y equal to 2x. This is y equal to minus 2x. So we have to find y equal to 4. Y equal to the... What is the area of the region? Area of the region include y equal to 2 mod x and y equal to 4x. So this is the y equal to 4x. This is y equal to 4. When y equal to put 4, you will get x is equal to... x is equal to 2. X equal to... So this point will be 2 comma 4. This point will be minus 2 comma 4. Understood? You want to find area of this. So this is the height. This is the height. Any problem? Now the width of this is 2 plus 2 is 4 is the width. And height is the 4. Height is the right angle, half into base. Base is 4 and height is 4. 2 to the 4 you will get 8 is the correct answer. Understood? No need to integrate. No need to integrate. What is the answer of 52? Can you give orally? Can you answer this orally? Cos x is even. X4 is even. Sine raised to 5 is odd power. So sine is odd. So odd power will be odd. Okay. So odd into even is odd. You will get 52 is 0 answer. What you will get? 0. Yesterday I told you about minus a to a, f of x dx. You will get 2 times f of 0 to a f of x even, and 0 f of x odd. Yesterday I told you. Cos x is even. Cos x is even. Whether odd power or even power, it doesn't matter. Cos x itself even. Cos x is itself a even function. So whether odd or even power doesn't matter. So cos q is even functions. X raised to 4 is even functions. Sin is odd. So when power will be odd, it will be odd. When power will be even, it will be even. So here sin power is odd, 5 power, so odd. So odd into even, so odd. So odd minus a to a0. Understood everyone? Tell me. Now, can you answer 50? What is the answer 50? First 50. Both are odd. 0 plus 0, 0. No problem. If you will find integration separately, x cube is odd. So you will get 0. A sin x is odd, you will again get 0. Now solve. 51. You will use by parts here. Do it with by parts. Hurry up, do it. Prem, Tompe,
Yes, sir.
Subham Pawar,
Yes, sir.
do it. 51. Prithviraj Chauhan.
Monday, sir. Chauhan nahi, sir. Monday.
Prithviraj Munde. You are from Bid. Munde fired. You are in Bid. Over Kinwat. Nandes is district. Huh? Nandes Taluka. One of the Taluka of Nanded.
Jilla Nanded.
Jilla what? Yeah. One of the Taluka of Nanded. Right? So, I think Munde find in Bid. Munde find in Bid. But you are from Kingwood?
Nanded. Munde to forward.
Okay, okay. No problem. So, do you know Pankaja Munde? So, you are an important person for me.
Politician,
So, I can reach to Vidhan Sabha of Mumbai and Maharashtra, okay? Solve 51.
Oh, याद है 51 तो बिहार हमारे
Solve 51. तुझे स्कूल में किसी ने पढ़ाया लग रहा है.
सर बहुत सर वहाँ पे
हाँ?
हमारे बैच में नहीं थे लेकिन हमारे सीनियर के बैच में थे तब हमारे बैच में मेजॉरिटी सर पूरी बैच में आधे बिहार के थे हमारे सीनियर बैच.
अच्छा.
हमारे साथ एक ही था.
हाँ. अभी तो एक वो भी बिहार का ही है जो लाल एलेवन का जो लड़का.
दो तो हो गया और 98
उसका उसका आनंद सिंह नाम है. राजपूत है. उसका खान पान हमारे जैसा ही होता है. जितने राजपूत होते हैं ना क्षत्रिय, उसका खान पान मेरे जैसा होता है. हम लोग जैसा. हम लोग मुस्लिम का सबसे बड़ा कास्ट है. शेख सिद्दीकी होगा वो। हाँ, समझ में आया? मेरा खान पान जो ये है, राजपूत होते हैं ना, राजपूत मिश्रा सब होते हैं ना, हम लोग की तरफ मिश्रा मिलता है, होता है मिश्रा झाजी ये सब मिलते हैं सब, ठीक है ना। तिवारी क्या है, तिवारी ये सब मिलते हैं, समझ में आया?
सबसे बड़े मुंडे लोग होते हैं सर। हाँ सर, मुंडे
Politicians.
का अपन करते हैं। हमारा
हमारा खान पान वैसा ही होता है। जैसे को होते प्योर शुद्ध ब्राह्मण, क्या होते हैं उन लोगों को, प्योर वेजिटेरियन होते, क्या होते हैं
नाम सर
प्योर, तो वो लोग वो मच्छी उच्छी नहीं खाते,
चिकन
मच्छी उच्छी नहीं खाते, चिकन मटन नहीं खाते। फिर नहीं रहे, अच्छे घर के लोग नहीं करते रहे वो, जो बिगड़े घर के लोग वो सब करते हैं। कोई भी हो, कोई भी रिलीजन, कोई भी कास्ट में, अच्छे घर के लोगों का काम पीना होना नहीं है। वो लोग पीने से दूर रहते हैं।
Style से रहते सर।
लोगों का पहनावा खाना पीना वो अच्छा होता है, समझ में आया? हाँ, उस पे ध्यान देते हैं, पहनने खाने पीने रख रखाव क्या है, हाँ, उस पे ध्यान देते हैं वो लोग। बाकी जिसके पास नहीं है कुछ, तो कमाता है पीता है, उसका क्या दिक्कत ठिकाना है, उसका कोई ठिकाना है पीने वाले का।
हिंदी भी देते।
और जिसको किसी ने आदत पकड़ा दिया तो पकड़ा दिया।
सर ये भी सर, ये मेरे को कल क्या बोला?
Hold on, please. Now solve what is 51. A is the correct answer. So I will not solve 51. Now 52, tan inverse, you can solve it directly by formula. Now 48, solve it. For
साइड में जा रहा है थोड़ा जूम आउट।
for 49, I will write a formula for all of you, that dx upon x square plus a square 1/8 tan inverse x by a equal minus 1/8 cot inverse x upon a. You can use any one formula for this. Write it. If you don't know, you can use this formula. This is for 49. This is for 49. Solve 48 first. Prem, do you want 49 to solve? You can solve on your own. Can you solve on your own? Now solve 48 and 47. What is the area of the region bounded by y equal to x and y equal to 0? When y equal to 0, x equal to 0. This is a straight line, and the triangle, you have to find the area of triangle.
ऑप्शन दिया है 48 का।
So
47
this will be 4, this will be 4. 4 into 4 half. 4 to 8, you will get 8 answer is the correct answer for 48. Understood? Now solve 47. What is the area of the portion of y equal to sin x lying between 0 to x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x equal to 2 pi? That means 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4 units. I told you area will be always positive. The behind the x-axis is also positive. F the axis is also positive. 2 plus 2, 4. Understood? So you can answer orally 47. Now, can you solve 46? Solve it 46. Solve 46. If you use by parts, it will be least cumbersome task. Okay? Will lead you will lead you cumbersome task. So you should use substitution. You should use substitutions. What you will use? What you will use? Tell me. Hayap. When you should use King's law. You should use first King's law. Sin 2x.
By 2.
You should use King's law here. When nothing is working, you should think about King's law. You should think about King's law. Cot x dx, first equations. The second equations, pi by 2 in bracket 2 into pi by 2 minus x. So pi minus 2x. So again pi sin 2x. Again, so you will get sin 2x. And here ln cot pi by 2 minus x is tan x. Okay? Understood? So when you will I1 plus I2, you will get sin 2x common. Log cot x plus tan x, you will multiply log 1 0. You will ultimately get 0 answer. Understood everyone? याद रहा हो उसको.
क्वेश्चन को बोलता है क्वेश्चन तेरे नहीं आ
So here you can cot here tan after King's law. After King's law. Right? 2i equal to 0 into pi by 2 dx. So ultimately get 0. I will be 0. Understood? Tell me. Now solve 45. Easy question. Yeah, put t equal to tan inverse. Put t equal to tan inverse. I have done this type of question earlier. But here you will get t dt. For 0 you will get limit 0. For 1 you will get limit pi by 4. Understood? So t square by 2. So pi by 4 to the whole square minus 0. Finally you will get pi square by 32. So you got the wrong answer earlier. I think you have done calculation mistakes in ghai in terms of Marathi language. Okay, you are doing ghai. Okay, so not do ghai. Now mod x is even function, x is odd function, even into odd is odd, so you will get 0. No problem. 44. Again same question. 43 pi square 32. Now solve 42. Is a good question. Solve it. Hurry up. Greatest integer. area bounded by greatest integer by where y and where the y-axis, the two line. If here nothing is given, nothing is told about this, so you should think it as a simple bracket. Okay, think as nothing is given about the square. Here for square bracket, nothing is given. You think it. You should think that as f of y. Okay. Solve it. F of y, area bounded by the curve f of y axis and y equal to b. So suppose that I'm going from A to B, okay? And graph go like that, okay? So this will go x dy, okay? X dy is A to B, and here x equal to A to B, f of y dy. Can you find any answer here? Yeah, I find x dy. C is the correct answer. C is the correct answer. Understood? It's a direct formula. I told you yesterday. It's a direct formula along the y-axis. Along the y-axis. Now solve. 41. Modulus. 1 plus 1 is 2. Modulus sin x. Okay? So 0 to pi by 2 is 1. Minus pi by 2 is 1 because it's a modulus. It's a modulus. How you will get? Sine curve. Modulus sine curve. So from here minus pi by 2 to. So this is positive and this is positive. Understood? Overall you will get plus 2. The final answer. Plus 2 is the 2 times even function modulus. So 0 to pi by 2 and mod sin x. For sin x 0 to pi by 2 1. 2 time into 1. 1. Understood? Now solve. This question I have done yesterday. This type of questions. So I will not do this question 40. Now 41 is the just integration. Solve it. Do not require to solve it with me. Now solve 38 directly. Solve 38. Hurry up. Root 2 is the radius. What is the area enclosed by the? So 2 square 2 pi is the final answer. Now solve this. The period is 2 pi by 3. Period is 2 pi by 3. You have to find along around 0 to pi by 4. See how much you are getting along 0 to pi by 6. Half of pi by 2 pi by 3 is pi by 3. Half of pi by 3 is pi by 6. So quarter plus 1 you will get answer. Final answer is A1 unit. Only you will get this. This portion you will get. You will get only this portion. Okay? Of course. That is quarter period. Okay? Quarter portion. Quarter. You should not think about quarter, which is found in market. Okay? So period of 2 cos 3x is first find the period 2 pi by 3. So period is 2 pi by 3. Half period is pi by 3. Okay? Half of pi by 3 is pi by 6. Up to find between 0 to pi by 6. So quarter period. Okay? Quarter is 1. Understood? Now solve this. Hurry up. F of x is a even function. F of x is a even function. Solve this. Even means along positive y-axis. Sorry, along y-axis it will be symmetric. It will be even means that things. But here limit is 0 to pi. So 0 to pi by 2 you will get positive. From 0 to pi by 2 positive and pi by 2 pi you will get negative. So positive plus negative you will get 0. The answer will be 0 of this question. Understood? Tell me. It is not given minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. If it is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, we'll write 2 times. Will you write? 2 times 0 to pi by 2 f of cos x. But limit is one side of the x-axis, y-axis. So 0 to pi by 2, it's a positive cos. And pi by 2 to pi is cos is negative. Understood? In the second quadrant. So what is the area in first quadrant? The same area will get in the second quadrant. But it's a different integration. It's not area. It's a different integrations. So you will get plus 2 minus 2. Sorry, plus 1 minus 1. 0. Understood? Any problem? So no need to solve this. Now solve very important question. Good questions. 35. Solve it. 35. When you will divide with this cos square, but cos square is 0 between 0 to pi. Okay. That means when you are dividing by cos square, you have to split the limit around pi by 2. So you have to split the limit around pi by 2. It's a very, very good questions. I will say you. It's a very good questions. Because most of the people will do directly. I will find the answer 0. Find the answer. I will not get. So we will do like that. 0 to pi by 2. Then sec square x. 2 times tan square and sec square x dx. And pi by 2 to pi sec square x 2 tan square x sec square x dx. So 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx. Sec square will change into tan square. 1 plus tan square equal to sec square. So you will get 3 times. 3 times means root 3 times tan x whole square plus 1 square dx. Now put t equal to root 3 tan x. Now put t equal to and calculate both integration. Calculate both integration. I think what you will find between 0 to pi by 2, the same thing you will find from 2 pi by 2 to pi. Understood, everyone? So you will just multiply with 2. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 sec square x root 3 times tan x to the whole square plus 1 square dx p equal to root 3 times tan x. Now how you will find limits? First you will put x, then you will find t. When you put 0 in place of x, you will find t equal to 0. When you put t equal to pi by 2, you will get infinity. Understood? So this will be 2 times 0 to infinity. Now here dt upon root 3. So root 3 will be outside and t square plus 1. Understood? Right? So 2 by root 3 tan inverse t 0 to infinity. Tan inverse infinity is pi by 2. How much it is? So you will get pi by 3 is the ultimate answer. Pi by root 3 is the ultimate answer. Understood, everyone? Everyone? Fair enough? So this is a very, 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 very good question. I will tell you. Personally, I will tell you. Huh? No, no. This is the methods. These are the main methods. Okay? If you want to find, you have to work on this. Otherwise, remember this as a pi by 3. This will be very short. If you want Shatta in terms of Saruk sir, in terms of Uday sir, I will tell you, remember this. Pi by root 3 is the Shatta of this. Okay? Because when I will convert 2 cos square, when I will convert 2 sin square in 1 plus cos 2x, will stuck there. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2 minus cos 6. How it will convert? How it will convert? If I have 1 minus cos 2x, I can convert it. But 2 minus cos 6, how I will convert it? Okay? So this is the simplest form. Okay? Now, solve this. Very important and very simple. Sweet and sour. 34 is a good question. Sweet and sour, good questions. So I have to find in. पेन से मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है कभी कभी. In minus 1. So in minus 2. Both have the limit 0 to pi of 4. So tan raised to n minus 2 common x. Here you will left with tan square x plus 1 dx. Understood, everyone? Tell me. When you will add, so one has tan raised to n, one has tan raised to n minus 2. So I will take tan raised to n minus 2 common. So this will be simple form now. It look like difficult, but practically it is a very simple question. Practically, 1 plus x tan square is sec square x. Now you can put t equal to tan x. T equal to tan x. Now, x and t, when you will put x equal to 0, t equal to 0. When you put t equal to x equal to pi of 4, you will get 1. So here you will get 0 to 1, t raised to n minus 2 dt. Now it's a cakewalk. It's a cakewalk. Done it. Sorry, do it. Do it. It's a cakewalk. Now rest of the questions up to 640 I will solve the questions. Rest of the question you will do on your own, and the question you will face difficulty, you can ask me tomorrow at any time. At any time. I will say you. Okay? Okay. Adi Patil, you can speak by your voice. You can answer by your voice. Because in Lok Sabha, in Raj Sabha, in Vidhan Sabha, Voting can be done by voice. Okay. Right. Do it. What you find? What you have find?
1 upon n minus
1 upon n minus 1 is the correct answer, I think. Now solve question number 33. चल भाई ला पानी पी रे बाप रे हालत खराब है मेरा हाँ solve 33. Have you got the answer? Tell me. Did I solve the questions? Tell me. What is the area bounded by the curve y equal to e to the x, y equal to and the straight line? You can see this. E to the x graph will go like that. This is the e to the x graph. Now e to the power minus x graph will go like that. Okay. This will go like that. Understood? Any problem? Now x equal to 1 will go like that. The area bounded by the curve this and the straight line. So this is the area bounded by these two. This area I want to do. Find. So upper is x e raised to x. Lower is e to minus x. And dx. And integration from 0 to 1. Now integrate and find the answer. Upper graph is? Lower graph is? Now integrate this.
Last question of the day.
Yeah. After this, at most we can do 2 questions. 30 and 32 and 31. 32, what is the answer? Tell me. You can answer within 30 seconds. 31. Without integration, you can solve. 32. What is the option for 33? What you got? E raised to 1 plus e raised to minus 1 minus e raised to 0, 1 plus e raised to 0, 1. So e plus 1 by e minus 2. You got the answer? C is the correct answer. C is the understood. Integration of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to x. Prem, integration of e raised to minus x is minus e raised to minus x. So minus minus plus. Minus minus. What you will get here? Integration e raised to x minus minus plus e raised to minus x. The limit will be 0 to 1. Understood? Prem. Now 32 minus 1 to 1 I have to integrate. That means I have to find the area. I have to find the area of modulus from between minus 1 to 1. What you will get here, the same way you will get here. So 2 times 1 by 2 triangle area. Length 1, this is 1, 1 into 1. So we will get 1 unit. You will get 1 unit, the final answer for 32. Now 31 solve it. Then maybe I will relieve you, or I will also solve 30 and 29. So very important question, very good questions. 29. 29 is very good questions.
29.
Yeah, 29 is a very good questions. Solve it. And 31 is also very good questions. Solve it. First solve 30, then 39, 29. I will give command to you that you should solve different integration area question today night and ask tomorrow. Ask tomorrow what you find the difficulty. All 5 are I am suggesting you that you will solve NDA questions, right? Different integration and area today nights. And the difficulty you found, you will find. Can you ask? You should ask tomorrow. I will recommend you. This is a very crucial moment for you. I'm giving you the suggestions because you obviously will find minimum 10 marks from this chapter. Minimum 10 marks from different integration and area. Minimum to minimum. Or maximum you will find get 15 marks. How much? 15 marks. So if you will prepare today nights, you can earn 15 marks by less effort. From tomorrow lecture, you can earn 10 marks. So overall, I will fairly tell you, you can earn 25 marks within 1 week. You can earn. Okay? I will tell you fairly. So first 29, what is the area of the region bounded by the curve? you will take y equal to 1 minus x square by 4. So how you will do it? बहुत गुस्सा होता है लेकिन मुझे इसमें, मैं जब भी फास्ट लिखने की कोशिश करता हूँ मेरा कबाड़ा कर देता है। x square by 4, 1 minus y. So x square minus common 4 y minus 1. So index, so vertex is 0 comma 1. Vertex is a downside and downside. This is the graph. Downside, right? But the area of the region bounded by the curve minus 2, 2. When you will put minus 2 in the graph, in this graph, what you will put, when you will put minus 2 to plus 2, 1 minus 2 to the 4, minus 2 the 4 by 4, so you will get 0. So this point you will get minus 2 comma 0. This point you will get 2 comma 0. Understood? So I want to find area of this region. Understood? So 2 times 0 to 2, and what is y? Y is equal to, you will get 1 minus x square by 4 dx. Now you can find easily answer. Answer? Okay. Now I will deal 29 and then will free you. Then I will free you. I think you can do on your own 30. So I will do 29. You can do your own 30 number. So what is the area of the curve x e raised to x above the x-axis between x equal to 0? So graph will be like that. X is positive, e raised to x is exponential. So you will get like that. X is 0, e raised to 0, and exponentially increase. You will get like that, okay? Graph. So the here very simple questions between 0 to 1, okay? So I want area of this portion. Area of this portion. Right? So we will integrate only x e raised to x 0 to 1 and use by parts. Use, you will get the answer. Understood? Right? Any problem? Have you understood this? Any problem? Fair enough? So can I end my lecture here?
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for listening my lecture, everyone. सेव कर दूं मैं? PDF सेव. चलो किंग कैप्स are according to you. This is the 20, today is 25.
Yes, sir.
On your request, I am adding king, right?
Yes, sir.
And save.
Thank you, sir.
हाँ जल्दी आओ, लेक्चर एंड करो। यूट्यूब यूट्यूब क्या चल रहा है तो बंद कर लो, मेरा हो गया। हाँ क्या हुआ? जूम कर, एंड कर दो।